we outside. We back outside. We got my boy Aaron with me. You got the purple Supra. We just got that shit wrapped. Looking clean as hell with the polished wheels. Carbon fenders too. Come on, man. Man's looking tough with that purple. You feel me? And they got my boy over here, bro. The 5th. This is the 45th anniversary, right? The 45th anniversary Supra, bro. Look at this, man. This shit's tough. Oh, for real? Yeah. And it came with the wing? That's fire, bro. Can you open it up for me? Yeah, I got you. That's fire, man. Sheesh, another manual, brother. Look at that, man. You don't find too many of us. That's fire, bro. Yeah. That's fire. Man, now you have to... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I did, but he's busy. He couldn't pull up. Yeah. And then we got Isaac pulling up. Looking tough. Yeah, for real, right? We got the whole lineup out here. That's fire. Then we got the M3. We got my boy Shiva up in the cut, looking fresh as hell. So we got all the Beamers. We got one Toyota. And then we got all the Supras out here. We got Raven, Isaac, Manuel, Aaron, and me, baby. Nah, we're outside. We're about to take off right now, and we're about to do a POV drive, and we're outside. There he goes. Talk to me, Shiva. We got Aaron behind us. Shiva also got a chaser. He was about to take the chaser tonight, but he said, nah, I'm trying to get active with the homies, you feel me? We're about the M3 on the boys. Yup, get over. I'm with you, Shiva. Don't worry, gang. Yo. There's a car behind you. Okay, bet. I'm slowing down. All right. Thank you. He's up my ass. Bro, I got a cop behind me. He's on my dick, bro. Like, you're closing me in this corner. Can I help you? Bro, get off my dick. The absolute hell's wrong with these police, bro? I Ventura police, but you can't even do shit to me. We're not even in the same quadrant, bro. You're just being annoying as hell. Nah, it's dark as hell outside, boy. Yup. There we go. They back in action now. Aaron's intake never gets old, bro. That shit sounds way too good. We got Isaac. Talk to me, Isaac. Woohoo! Nah, this is... We getting active, boy. We got Gabe. Yo. Nah, we looking tough. Nah, now we... Damn! That's why I like mobbing with Isaac too, bro. He knows how to get active real quick. There goes Aaron. There goes Punda. Nah, we outside. I'm getting too close. So we're like kind of late because apparently my boy Juan runs these meets, bro. Shout out Juan. Shout out Clean Culture Alliance, bro. They them right now. They're making the car scene real lit. But this shit gets packed quick, so we had to get there. But we might be late. Nah, we looking tough. Yo, you're so loud, it's ridiculous. I don't know who's louder, me or you, bro, for real.
You see him shooting flames?
Yeah, I know. I saw a couple of them. I couldn't see because like my steering wheel was like in front of me, but I saw like flashes, and I'm like, what the fuck is that? Nah, if you could pop one for me, bro, please, I'll be fired. I feel that. I feel that. Oh. I couldn't downshift, I was already in second. Sheesh! Oh, fuck, dude, we're just assholes. Street. Oh my god. Fuck, dude. Bro. Little C8, he couldn't keep up with us anyways. Goofball. Fuck this red light. Oh no, I'm just playing. I'm playing. I'm acting up. Let's calm down. Yep, get a little sideways for y'all. I got that shit. I don't give a fuck what anyone says, boy. Nah, that was a lit ass cruise. That was fun as hell. We outside. I wish it wasn't raining because that made it a little more fun, but that was dope. That was dope. Look at us. We outside. We outside. Bro, I saw the flames when we were in the tunnel. Oh, yeah, that was fire.
Manipulated.
Dude, that was crazy.
I could hear the difference. It makes like this like heavy sound.
Yeah.
I was trying to fuck with it so I could get it to do it.
Yo, Shiva, bro, what's in this? What'd you do to this car, bro? What'd you do to this car, man?
It's just, okay, in all seriousness, it's just crank hub,
Crank hub?
downlight, and a custom single exit.
Crank hub? That's better, that's better. You said you haven't done charge pipes yet, though.
Yeah, my tuner is like, yo, you need to get charge pipes.
Bro, when I mean like, I like that you're over here because I was able to mob with you because Aaron's not tuned yet. So like you were like fucking taking off and I was like, let's run this shit, nigga. No, that shit's
Even
dope,
in the wet,
bro.
we were having our fun too.
Yeah, you feel me, bro? No, that shit was lit. That shit was. I love the intakes on that shit, dude.
They're not the, I still have a dusting to do on them, but
Bro, who gives a fuck about the dust part? Just the fact that they're there.
they're not even. Just like
That's
front
fire.
ones are very particular to get right too. So it's like,
Oh, yeah?
it takes a lot of lining up and getting them to like.
I can imagine that part, the lining up part. Yeah.
Because you have to cut some work on the side too.
Oh, for real? I didn't know that. It's be pissing me off. I keep. Come on, come on, come on. It's dead. I gotta ask Nigel to rewire that shit. Yeah, how'd you, bro? As soon as he hops in it, bro, you can tell I took off the CDV. That's that Beamer shit. He knows.
If you drive like a real manual car and then like a BMW car,
Yeah.
BMW or like DF, not DF, sorry, but These newer transmissions just feel different.
That's crazy. That's crazy. You can tell just from kicking in. The car's not even on. You're like not even shifting, bro. But yeah, it's stage 2 in CDV delete. That's nuts. All right, so more cars are pulling up. More cars are pulling up. We had to squeeze in my boy Eric right there. You feel me, bro? The purple and yellow, looking like grape and lemons. You feel me? But we outside. Yo, so no cap, this is actually mad funny. Buddy came to the meet and popped this shit up just to show us his angle, bro. He wants to flex on us to show he got that drift kit on there. You know what I'm saying? That is actually stupid tough. That's a stupid flex. I'm not gonna lie to you. What is going on today? What is going on today? Bro, we pulled up just to take some videos after the meet, and then we got a whole squad of people pulling up. Something crazy. I don't even know some of these people, bro. This is nuts. Got the most random like little link up, bro. A red Supra, yellow Supra. Beamers are inactive. Sheesh. Damn, niggas just don't care. Bro, cars just keep coming in. They're coming, they're going, but this modded cars all night, baby. I'm just so confused. Just keep pulling up. Damn. We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. R.I.P. R.I.P. to the show. So sad. Supercar Saturday, baby, at the Hard Rock. You feel me? Sheesh, I'm trying to find my Super buddies, bro. I don't know where anybody's at. I'm seeing supercars, but no Supras. You feel me? All the vets and shit. The Porsches, you feel me? Nah, we got the Super gang outside. We got the Super boys outside. Everyone's looking tough, man. Everyone's looking tough. I love how we all have different builds, bro. We got a sidebond wing, there's a stuck build, and then we got, come on, it's too tough. It's too tough. Nah, we got the whole Super gang. Everyone got a different build, bro. Like I said, we got this 300 with a sidebond, dual exit, single exit, dual exit, single exit, dual exit. Come on, man. It looks tough. Damn, we got CX-14s, 10s, Ducatis, fucking boost of the nation, bro. Stupid amount of boosters, that's crazy. I've never seen so many high boosters in my life on some real shit. Iconic as hell. Looky looky, we got the H2 over here. This shit's clean, this shit's clean. Whew. Come on, this shit's tough. This shit is tough. Everywhere you look, we got people acting up. Sheesh. Nah, this is nuts, bro. Just rows and rows of supercars I'm walking through right now. Unbelievable. We got niggas acting up. Hold up. Uh-oh. This is what I came for. Alright, so I've been keeping this a secret for a little bit. I'm getting my MSF license in 2 weeks. So those bikes you just saw, I'm hopping on one. I'm hopping on one, baby. It's about to happen. We're about to make that shit happen. Man's baller. He's got the cigar in his mouth. Nah, he doesn't give a shit. He's baller. That's what retirement looks like, my friends.
Lambo eater.
Oh.
Back and muscle, man.
And then just another Bugatti. Just casual. Oh shoot. It's blue carbon. That's crazy. Unfortunately, that's Florida for you. So it started raining. So I'm banging it. We outside. But honestly, this is probably one of the coolest events I've been to. I've been to Supercar Saturday before. I don't think I put on the vlogs if I have, but Supercar Saturday is fun. It's honestly motivating, bro. It's like, bro, like all these damn like supercars out here. And it's like, I need one. You know what I'm saying? It's like, that's what's up next. You feel me? So I don't know. Not really, but you feel me? At some point, like, that's what's up. My calf is hurting me. No matter what traffic stage 2. Fuck. Fuck. Wilding out, bro. That's a GTR R35. God damn. My clutch over here, my foot over here killing me.